Welcome to our demonstration of a VokeStone overlay. Cracks, holes, rough surfaces can completely ruin a floor. This is the worst floor we could find to repair. Can you imagine how you would repair this degraded concrete that was oil-soaked, rough, and uneven? This is the radical change. The floor finish on this repair is the optional anti-skid texture. The VokeStone floor is water-resistant, easy to clean, and similar to slate, offers durability and beauty, while of benefit to the environment. Let's revisit the original floor. Cracks, holes, and uneven surfaces precluded the safe use of floor jacks. The building was completely useless for anything but limited industrial dry storage and had an overpowering oil smell that even precluded parking of cars. Ripping a beautiful VokeStone.Crown off a diamond ground floor is violent, but destruction is exactly how VokeStone proved the technology. When VokeStone crowns a floor, the process is precise to ensure effective results. There is no technology that is equivalent. Your troubles can be solved. VokeStone can recover your space.